All right, guys, I am checking this one out for a buyer of mine. It's out of state. I want to show you this property. This is in a section that does not have a tile roof. Just to let you know, it is a nice looking house with some accents here. Pretty color. It does have gutters also, nice pretty door. Tile as soon as you walk in. Really open, as you can see. We'll spin around here to the right. Nice office area. The carpets, I've already walked through this. The carpets need a little TLC or actually possibly removed. There's a closet removed and replaced. Sorry about that, that's a fire alarm. Another bedroom. Has all the window treatments still. Here's another good sized bedroom. These are typical size bedrooms. This one's bigger than the other. Full size bath. Just to kind of refresh your memory, this house is a lot like the one we looked at earlier in the back when you guys were here last time. There's mechanical. And there's what I was talking about, the carpet. Master bedroom. There's a tub, and right behind the door is a shower. You go into tile again with a double vanity. 2 walk-in closets. I had to move over a little bit so you can see the shower. Actually, not 2 walk-in closets, sorry about that. Well, kind of a water closet. But 1 walk-in closet. They're cleaning it right now, getting it ready for some showings. And then nice backyard. It's already fenced in for a pup. I like how they brought the pavers back here to the back. And then this would be laundry. And then directly through that door will be garage. And then this is what you would look at from the kitchen. That's it.